In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type a fraction in Canva. This is a handy trick for anyone looking to integrate math symbols or equations into their design work effectively. Whether you're creating educational materials or simply want your design to feature a fraction, these steps will guide you through the process. Let's get started by heading to your Canva dashboard. Here, you'll want to decide what design you're working on. If you have a specific project in mind, you can click on Create to start something new, or you can access your existing projects by selecting Recent Designs. For today's example, let's find a design you've previously worked on under Recent Designs to keep things streamlined. Once you've opened up your preferred design, the next step is to enhance the tools at your disposal by incorporating third-party apps. In Canva, these can be found on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on Apps, which will open up a menu with various options readily available for integration. Scroll through or simply type Equations in the search bar to locate the app that will provide the functionality you need. With the Equations app visible, you'll need to click Enter to launch it. This step opens up a useful tool that allows you to insert mathematical symbols directly into your design. This is particularly beneficial for those professional presentations or academic projects where precision in showcasing mathematical content is key. Now, with the Equations app up and running, it's time to type your formula or equations. Here, you can enter any fraction or mathematical symbol needed for your design. Once you've typed out your fraction or any other equation, simply hit the Insert button. This action adds your text directly into your Canva design, flawlessly integrating complex numerical data with your creative visuals. And just like that, you've successfully added a fraction to your Canva design. This method keeps your projects looking professional and polished, especially when dealing with content that necessitates mathematical notation. If you're planning to use similar features in the future, consider exploring all the functionalities that this app within Canva offers. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different kinds of equations and fractions within Canva's flexible workspace. If you ever run into any issues or need further details, don't hesitate to revisit these steps or explore Canva's help resources for additional guidance. Happy designing, and thank you for watching.